again. Move. Come here, do it again. Who does that? What is that? What is it?
Daddy.
Daddy does that? Do it again. Show him. I'm going to send him this video. Do it again. What does he do?
Okay, so I got 4 right. Okay, not too shabby.
Luke, come here.
Do you like this Taylor for rain? I thought that's
Come here.
for that, right, Casey? All right.